Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Roblox account. Make sure your username and password are ready. Once done, open now. GG and type Roblox into the search field, then pick the Cloud Play option to start the session immediately. You should grant any browser permissions for microphone and input so controls work. If you use a gamepad, connect it now. This step gets the cloud instance running. It saves you time versus downloading and establishes the remote environment you'll control next. Once the cloud instance is active, adjust Roblox graphics and resolution. Lowering to 720p often reduces lag, and changing quality can prevent frame drops. Next, configure input. Pick keyboard and mouse or a controller mapping and test keybinds in a quiet spawn area so you avoid losing progress. Also, make sure your browser tab quality settings are optimized and close other heavy apps on your device to free bandwidth and CPU. These changes improve responsiveness and to finish, exit through the Roblox menu so the cloud session commits your progress to your account. Do not just close the tab. If you notice persistent input lag, try switching now. GG servers or refresh the cloud instance. This often clears temporary performance issues. For disconnections, verify your network. Prefer wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection and close background downloads. One key troubleshooting tip: if things still fail, refresh the session and reconfigure controls. Most problems clear with a clean cloud relaunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.